Good morning, students. In today's class, we will continue with Chapter 3, Microsoft Access. Okay. In last class, we have done about introduction of Microsoft Access and what is database, types of database, structure of database, okay, and different features of MS Access. And in today's class, I am going to explain you about components of Microsoft Access 2010. Okay, now open your book, page number 29, and read with me and watch this carefully. Before learning about the various functions of Access, let us get familiar with the various components of Microsoft Access window. So this is the Microsoft window. First component is title bar. Okay, this is the title bar. You can see it is located at the top of the window and display the name of the current database. Next, quick access toolbar. This toolbar is present at the top left corner of the Access window. You can see it contains the most frequently used command buttons like save, undo, redo. By default, it has 3 buttons which are save, undo and redo. Next is ribbon. This is the ribbon. It contains various tabs, each several groups of relevant commands. Some tabs appear when you work with certain objects like forms. Such tabs are called contextual tabs. Next is navigation pane. This is called navigation pane. You can see here. This pane is present on the left side of the Access window. It displays the name of the objects used in the database such as table, queries, forms, reports, etc. Next, navigation buttons. These are the navigation buttons such as help to navigate through the records. Navigation button display the current record number in an object. Next component is object tab. This is the object tab. The object tab that you have opened in a database appear right above the work area in a tab form. Click on any tab, display the contents in the work area. To close the current tab, click on the cross button on the right side end of the bar. Last is status bar located at the bottom of the window. On its extreme left, it displays the name of the current view, and its right, it displays the 4 view buttons, which are datasheet view, design view, pivot table view, and pivot chart view. We can see a table in different views. Now, next topic is creating a blank database. How can we create a blank database file in Access? For this, Access allows you either to create a new database from scratch or create a database by using pre-installed templates. Access provides many automated wizards that help in making a database. You can see these wizards, forms, reports, queries. Okay. To open Access, click on Start button, then All Programs. It is a part of the Office. So, click on Office, then Access 2010. When Access open, you will find the backstage view on the screen. This is the Access window view. By default, the blank database option is selected under the available templates. Now, in the blank database task pane on the right, specify the file name in the file name box. If required, you can change the path from the Browse button. Place adjacent file name box. Then click on Create tab. Okay, it will create your new database along with an empty table name, Table 1. Now, new tab, Table Tools will be now visible in the title bar. You can see. So, this is the procedure. How can we open Access and how can we create blank database in an Access? Now, next is saving a database. How can we save a file, save a database? It is similar like we have done in our earlier software, like Word, Excel, PowerPoint. To save a database, click on File tab, then Save Database as option. Then click this Save Database dialog box. Save as dialog box will appear. Now type the file name in the file name text box. Then click on Save button. It will save your database. Now next point, closing Access 2010. How can we close the window? After finishing the work in Access, click on Close Database option in the File tab to close the current database. To close Microsoft Access application, click on File, then Exit option. It will exit your Access. It will advisable to mention a short file name that relates to the information that you store in your database. The file name should be short. Next, opening an existing database. If you have saved any database, if you want to open, how can we do? First, start Access 2010 by shortcut. Select the open option from the file menu. Choose your file, desired the file. Open dialog box is here and click on Open button after selecting the file. Selected database will be open for you. Okay students, now we have done this chapter. Try to do the practical of this Access. Okay. Now I will revise some recap points for you about Access. Database is an organized way of storing information quickly and efficiently. Databases are categorized as flat file database and relational database. DBMS stands for full form of DBMS, Database Management System. It enables you to create, modify and extract data from a database. Access is the most popular and powerful RDBMS that is used to organize and manipulate data. Tables are the building blocks of a database. Field describes a specific attribute of all the records in a table. Navigation pane displays the name of the object used in the database. And the object that you have opened in a database appears right above the work area in a tab form. So that's all for today's class. So watch this video again, revise all the points. Now in the next video I have given you homework, question answers. Okay. So goodbye and take care of yourself.